Baguio City, meron tayong 34% smokers sa Baguio. At mas mataas po ito sa national, which is only 23%. So, ang leading cause po ng death natin sa Baguio City are stroke, heart disease, cancer, and COPD o chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. At itong apat po na ito ay lahat tobacco-related disease.
Sa pamamagitan ng sigarilyo is makakakuha sila ng sakit, kamukha ng lung cancer, gano'n. Siyempre ayaw ko rin makita yung anak ko na may sakit sila ng gano'n. Maganda yung matanggal talaga.
Ako din, ayaw ko yung naamoy ko ng sigarilyo, nasusuka ako na hindi ako makahinga.
So, nung nakita po natin na ganito ang ating datos, nagbigay po tayo ng proposal na kailangan na nating pigilan ang tobacco epidemic dito sa city natin. To think tayo nga po pa ay isang education center and tourism center. Kailangan po makita ng buong constituents natin at ang ating mga turista na ang Baguio City ay isang smoke-free city. April 24, inapprove po ng City Council ang ating Ordinance number 34, Series 2017.
Yung mga bata kasi, hindi nila naiisip na masama pala yung epekto ng sigarilyo. Kaya kung yung paligid nila ay magiging magandang example, for example, smoke-free area, then sila din ay hindi matututo na magsigarilyo.
Panatag ako bilang magulang kung nakikita ko na ang Baguio City ay smoke-free.
Bilang estudyante po ay matutuwa po dahil po hindi po tayo makakalanghap ng kung ano-ano pa po tsaka magiging healthy po ang katawan po natin.
The fact that we have launched the caravan here in Baguio City is a testament that city by city, dumadami na po yung mga nag-i-implement ng smoke-free ordinances. And it's a good thing that nauna na po yung Baguio through your ordinance. And we're sitting with the task force and we're implementing it actually.
Change is coming, which is great, yeah. But behavioral change takes a lot of time and takes a lot of consistent effort. So in order to do that, in order to help with the effort, we work with a lot of young people, the millennials. But I think the millennials, they have a lot of ideas, a lot of creativity, and that's what we rely on as well. And that's the case in Baguio for the past couple of days when we're here doing video advocacy workshop. In a lot of ways, the Philippines has gone a long way.
Mas maganda talaga yung sigarilyo, wala talaga eh.
Masaya manirahan sa isang lugar na wala kang malalanghap o masisinghot na usok ng sigarilyo.
Maganda para lahat healthy.